Hello everyone, welcome you all to Sri Jain Rank Zone Classes. I am your mentor and your friend for the subject chemistry, and I will be dealing with organic chemistry. My dear students, today I am going to talk about aromatic hydrocarbons. So before starting with aromatic hydrocarbons, I want to give an introduction about aromaticity. There are three categories of compounds: aromatic, anti-aromatic, and non-aromatic. Different characteristics of aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds characteristics. Okay. The first one is that molecule must be cyclic and planar. Must be cyclic and planar. Second, every atom of the ring should associate with unhybridized p atomic orbital. Every atom of the ring should associate with unhybrid p atomic orbital. Okay. Third point, sidewise overlapping or sideway overlapping of p atomic orbital on ring atoms. Okay, so every atom of ring should associate with unhybridized p atomic orbital. That is, it can be either sp2 or sp hybridized. It should not sp3 hybridized. Okay, sideway overlapping of p atomic orbital on ring atoms. Next point, continuous overlapping of p atomic orbital leads to delocalization of pi system or pi electrons. Okay, so continuous overlapping of p atomic orbital leads to delocalization of pi system or pi electrons. Fifth point, continuous conjugation of pi bonding. Continuous conjugation of pi bonding. Sixth point, it should follow Huckel's rule. That is 4n plus 2 pi electrons, where n is an integer 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. 7th point, delocalization of pi electron cloud of pi electron cloud decreases. Okay, if the delocalization of pi electron cloud decreases, the energy, because of the delocalization of pi electron cloud, it helps to decrease the energy and it helps to increase the stability. Increases the stability. Mean more will be the delocalization, lesser will be the energy, and greater will be the stability. So these are the characteristics of aromatic compounds. Okay. We take benzene, these are unhybridized p orbitals. Each carbon is sp2 hybridized or sp hybridized. Okay, which leads to delocalization of pi electrons. Understood? Now I will be talking about the characteristics of anti-aromatic compounds. The compound should be cyclic and planar. Each carbon should have sp2 or sp hybridization or hybridized. The sideway overlapping of unhybridized p orbitals of p atomic orbitals. Fourth point, continuous overlapping of p atomic orbital of p orbital. And the fifth point is continuous conjugation of pi bonding. There should be continuous overlapping of p atomic orbitals. There should be continuous conjugation of pi bonding. The sideway overlapping of p atomic orbitals should be there. Okay. It follows 4n pi electrons rule. Okay. When here the Huckel's rule is changed, it is 4n pi electrons. Okay. The delocalization of pi cloud increases the energy and decreases the stability, and that is why they are known as what? Anti-aromatic compounds. Understood? Next is non-aromatic compounds. Non-aromatic compounds, the chain is cyclic, and the geometry can be planar or non-planar. Okay, I mean they don't have a mandate planar geometry for non-aromatic compounds. Okay. Second, all the ring atoms need not to be with ring atoms need not to be with p atomic orbital. For example, okay, this is aromatic. But on the same way, this carbon is sp3 hybridized. Okay. So in case of non-aromatic, the ring atoms, they can be sp2, they can be sp, they can be sp3 hybridized. Understood? The pi system may not be in conjugation. As in case of aromatic and anti-aromatic, the pi system is always in conjugation. Here pi system may not be in conjugation. May follow 4n or 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Okay. And the last point is they are composed of when compared to anti-aromatic compounds, they are more stable. So non-aromatic, they are more stable than anti-aromatic. Okay, so if we compare the stability range of all the compounds, so aromatic is more stable, then non-aromatic, and then anti-aromatic. Okay, so this is a glimpse about the aromatic, anti-aromatic, and non-aromatic compounds. Okay, now there is a very important term, homoaromaticity. Homoaromaticity, for example, if we take cycloocta triencyl cation, okay, cyclooctatrienol cation, which will further rearrange all these are carbon atoms. Okay, so it will further mold itself to form this compound. All these are pure p atomic orbitals. Okay, so they make a pi electron cloud over here. Okay, so from the above example, you can illustrate that there are some molecules in which one of the ring atom is sp3 hybridized. This is sp3 hybridized. There are some molecule conjugation always bypasses this sp3 hybridized atom. There are some molecules in which one of the ring atom is sp3 hybridized. Okay, still it behaves similar to aromatic hydrocarbons. Still it behaves similar to aromatic hydrocarbons. Whenever cyclic system with sp2 hybridized atom exhibits high stability, behaves as an aromatic hydrocarbon, aromatic compound. So whenever there is a cyclic system with sp2 hybridized atoms and it is having a sp3 as well, okay. So if all the atoms are sp2 hybridized atoms, then it will behave as an aromatic compound. This is homoaromaticity. The concept of homoaromaticity involves delocalization of pi cloud bypassing sp3 hybridized atom. Okay. In a molecular structure of homoaromatic compounds, of homoaromatic compounds. sp3 hybridized atoms arrangement out of plane of other unsaturated atoms position. So in a molecular structure of homoaromatic compounds, sp3 hybridized atoms arrangement is out of the plane of other unsaturated atoms, because other unsaturated atoms, they are having the same planar geometry except the sp3 hybridized atom. So homoaromaticity in it basically increases the the stability of the compounds. Now, when we talk about the aromatic hydrocarbons, so these aromatic hydrocarbons are further divided into benzenoid and non-benzenoid, okay, compounds. Hydrocarbons are further divided into two categories: homocyclic and heterocyclic compounds. Okay, which is further divided into benzenoid and non-benzenoid hydrocarbons. So I will be talking about aromatic hydrocarbons, their properties in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy.